How to use Myaamia Kiilhswaakani. When your Kiilhswaakani lunar calendar arrives, you may notice that it looks like many of the Gregorian or solar calendars available in stores. However, this calendar is based on our community's understanding of ecological changes within Myaamia and uses the moon to track the passage of time. The first pages of Kiilhswaakani give an overview of how our lunar calendar system functions. For a more in-depth explanation, please visit Sha Po Kaione, a Myaamia education portal, or Achimo Ta Tiangwe, a Myaamia community blog. The first month in the calendar is Mahkunza Kiilhswa, Young Bear Moon. The first day of Mahkunza Kiilhswa marks the beginning of our lunar year. When looking at the month spread, the top page features an image that reflects our community. In this example, it's an image of contemporary storytellers reenacting one of our Al-Sukana winter stories. Each calendar features a combination of historical and contemporary images that show people, places, and artwork from our community. Immediately below the image, we have several pieces of information. On the left-hand side, we have a caption to accompany the image in both Myaamia Kiilhswaakani and English. And on the right-hand side, we have credit for the image shown above. In the center, we have the name of the month. Each month's name corresponds to an ecological change that occurs during that time of the year. More information about each lunar month and our calendar system can be found on the ecology page of Achimo Ta Tiangwe, a Myaamia community blog. The URL to the ecology page is located at the bottom of the page. The table is laid out with the week starting on the left with Myaamia Kiilhswaakani, Sunday, and ending with Kakasokone Kiilhswaakani, Saturday, on the right. The lunar date is in the top right corner of each box, with the corresponding Gregorian calendar date in the lower left corner. Each box may also contain event dates in black text or historical events in blue text. Spread across the table, we have three representations of moon phases: Myaamia Kiilhswa, first quarter moon; Wawiyisita Kiilhswa, full moon; and Myaamia Kiilhswa, third quarter moon. Each phase is placed to correspond to the time of when the moon rises. Each month in the calendar will have either 29 or 30 days. This will alternate, so the number of days in any given month may change each year. Generally speaking, Myaamia Kiilhswaakani will have 12 months with a special center spread. In previous calendars, this spread has featured a collage of community pictures, recipes, and art. The center spread will be absent in years with Wawiyita Kiilhswa, lost moon. Wawiyita Kiilhswa is a 13th month that is inserted approximately every 3 years as a way to keep the ecological change connected to the corresponding month. This month will be added after Mahkwa Kiilhswa, Bear Moon, at the end of the calendar. The final pages of the calendar are used to acknowledge the people who have worked on Myaamia Kiilhswaakani over the years.